Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's tutorial, I will be creating my personal favorite bridesmaid or a party makeup look at home with most of the drugstore products. Now let's begin the video. I am going to prep my skin, which is the most important part to get flawless base. For that I am using Biotic Honey Pore Tightening Toner. You can use any toner of your choice. Now to hydrate my skin, I am using Nivea cream. It gives you instant glow, and for dry or combination skin, this would be best moisturizer. Don't forget to massage it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Let the products settle into your skin, and the products which I have used here will be mentioned in my description box. Next I am using Faces Canada Primer. I love this primer. It has pink shimmers which make your skin glow and it gives you smooth effect. Once all the products have absorbed into my skin, I am using Swiss Beauty Orange Color Corrector on dark parts of my face to make it look subtle. Next I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 103 and I am applying on upper eyelids because I am going to do my eye makeup first. So if any fallouts happen, I can just dust it off. I am starting my eyeshadow by taking Beauty Glazed color both using a flat brush. I am taking colors as shown in the video. Then I am creating a winged shape eyeshadow on outer corner of my eyes till the middle part of it and blending it perfectly with a fluffy brush. Then I am taking pink shade from the same palette and applying it on inner corner with a flat brush. Now it's time to add glitter. For glitter, I am using Wet n Wild pressed glitter in the shade Brass. Now I am using the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line with a flat brush. Then I am applying the same concealer to highlight some parts of my face. Now for the base, I am using e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. Guys, this foundation works amazing. It has low to medium coverage. Now I am using Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact Powder to set my foundation. I am using a spoolie brush to even my eyebrows hair. Then I am using Wet n Wild Ultimatebrow Kit to define my eyebrows. For contour, I am using Wet n Wild Powder Contour. Now I am using Faces Canada Blush in the shade Perfect Cinnamon. Now I am using Wet n Wild White Kajal on my lower waterline. For the mascara, I am using Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. For the highlighter, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight my high points of face. For the final step, I am using Swiss Beauty Lip Liner in the shade Choco Nude 03 and the Nykaa Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombay 01. Lovelies, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.